Change doesn't happen in one day, but in 21 days, you can become a completely new version of yourself. Welcome to your 21-day self-transformation challenge. Let's begin the journey, step by step. Part 1. The secret of 21 days. It takes 21 days to build a new habit, 21 days to shift your mindset, and 21 days to take control of your life. All you need is consistency, self-discipline, and belief. Part 2. Week 1. Build discipline, days 1 to 7. In the first 7 days, focus on discipline and self-awareness. Every morning, wake up 30 minutes earlier. Write one line in a journal about your thoughts or goals. Spend at least 1 hour without your phone and reflect on what's truly holding you back. This week isn't about perfection, it's about proving to yourself that you can take control. Part 3. Week 2. Reprogram your mind, days 8 to 14. Now that you're building discipline, it's time to reprogram your mindset. Read or listen to something positive every day, even for 5 minutes. Write 3 things you're grateful for each morning. Start one small, healthy habit. Drink more water, walk, or meditate. And stop saying, "I can't." Instead say, "I'm learning." Your mind is your strongest weapon. Train it wisely. Part 4, Week 3. Action and confidence, days 15 to 20. This is where transformation becomes real. Face one fear every day. Try something new. Talk to someone you've been avoiding. Track your progress. Notice every small improvement. Confidence doesn't come from perfection. It comes from action. When you move forward, even a little, you're already changing. Part 5. The new you, final message. After 21 days, you'll notice something powerful. You'll wake up with clarity. You'll feel calmer, stronger, and more confident. You'll see that real change starts with one simple choice: to begin. So, are you ready for your 21-day challenge? Type "I'm in" the comments and start today. Subscribe for more self-growth videos. Your transformation begins now.